Hi everyone, welcome to Nick's Hobby Bench. I'm Nick, and in this video we're going to be painting another Knight-Incantor. This one, I like the look of this one. This one looks pretty cool. But yeah, I've already painted him gold. I've missed a lot of spots, but that's alright. They're not even going to be gold. They're going to be a completely different color anyway. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first color we're going to put on is this Cantar blue. And that's just going on all the blue areas. Next to go on is the Rackard flesh, and that's just going on all the parchment and down the sheath of the sword. It's called a sheath. Pretty sure it's called a sheath. So the next one to go on is the left piston rim, and that's just going on all the longest spikes here. Just on his hand up here, and on the back of his headpiece there, and on the sword there. Right. Lightning bolt, my bad. I've got to do the shoulder pad blue. Yes, we got to do stuff too. Quickly do it and then we'll get on to the next one. The next thing going is a stream of pink. Sorry. That's going on the base here and on the handles of the weapons. The next thing going is the Abaddon black. That's going on all the leather areas. next thing to go on is the Pokemon clothes, and that's just going on the face. Next one to go on is the lead belcher. That's going on all the silver parts. Next thing on is a Koroks white, and that's going to go on like the inside of here and the inside of the one down there, and on the inside on the like little lightning bolts here, down on that there. Yeah. So the first shade to go on is the Drakenhof Nightshade. That's going on all the dark blue area. So the Caribou Crimson is on next, and that's just going on the pink part. The next one to go on is the Rakeland Flesh Shade. That's going on the all the gold areas and on the flesh on his face. To go on is the Agrax Earth Shade, and that's going on all the parchment areas. And the last thing to go on is the Known Oil on all the silver parts. Yeah, let it dry and see what it looks like. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed painting this one. And if you all did enjoy the video, please subscribe and hit the like button, and yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye.